Hey guys, Golden Fire here. It's me with my new Origami $1 Switchblade army knife designed by Jeremy Shafer. It's an unpublished design, and he made it for like kind of a simplified version of the Swiss army knife he designed and published in his book Origami to Astonish and Amuse. Just letting you know that one's really difficult, and I never made it successfully, like the correct way. It's really complex. But here's the $1 version, which is a lot simpler. Here it is in action. So check this and hold here, and the Swiss army knife. Okay. I'm really trying to round this off. Okay, so we got that. Get that straight. Because if you make it round, it makes it very nice. Okay, well, there it is. The Origami $1 Switchblade army knife. You guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.